Terminal knee extenensions are a wonderful knee rehab movement. It's a great way to stimulate the quad without having to be on that one leg or balancing or having your full weight on that leg. It's just a great way. And all you need is a band. So you anchor that band to something stable, nice, something strong. Leg goes inside the band and right behind that little pocket behind your knee. Now you're going to walk back until you feel a good amount of tension in that band. Feet are pretty close together. The foot or the leg in which the band is not wrapped is a little bit forward, just a little bit. Now, I tell people that the band here is doing two things. It's guiding your knee forward and giving you resistance as you go back. The leg that's working, tippy toes will stay on the ground. The heel will come off, just like that. Now the movement looks like that. Like I mentioned, the band is guiding my knee forward as I stay on my tippy toes, and then I'm just fighting that band back. The cue that I give people is there's a cockroach underneath your heel, and you're trying to squish that cockroach as you bring that band back. So the cockroach is underneath my heel, and I'm really trying to squish that cockroach. Now the money in this exercise is in the full extension. So as I'm fighting that band back, I'm squishing that cockroach. I want to get a full knee lockout. That's when the quadriceps really comes into play. And so that's the pace. That's the movement. You're going to get a great quadriceps burn. Terminal knee extensions, also referred to as TKEs, great for knee rehab.